Hello, today I'll be teaching you about hyperlinks, how we can use hyperlinks in HTML to link the web pages of our website or give link to another website or even link parts of our documents. So let's get started. Links. How can we create links between pages? We can also link our page to another website, and we can also link emails to our page. Now you can see here we will commonly use the links for two links from website to another website, link one page to another on the same website, link a part of the page to another page of the same part of the same page. We can link make the link to open in a new browser window, and lastly we can start up an email program using the links. These are the options, and also remember that at the end of each chapter they have given certain examples which you just have to copy paste and run them, and you do try to run these, and I'll try to upload these books as well with the material. Then we have right here, this is a tag is used for linking. It is known as anchor, and the most important thing, now we are studying about these attributes. There are some tags that have attributes. So the attribute of a tag is href. Href basically is for reference. For example, if you want to, this is IMDb, it will appear, and when you click IMDb it will open the website http://www.imdb.com. This would be the output. When you click this IMDb, the website of IMDb will be opened. First of all, we will see how to link to another website. Here is the code. Here you can see that multiple tags have been used. The unordered list have been used, and we are making bullets, and inside the bullets we would have hyperlinks. So the first hyperlink is this. If I click Empire, www.empireonline will be open, as you can see here, Empire. If I click Metacritic, the website www.metacritic, by clicking this would be opened, and so on. And as we have given this inside an li tag, so it will appear inside li tag but as hyperlink. So here what we are doing, we are connecting our page to different websites. We are opening websites. The next is that you can link your page to another page of the same website. Like in our website we have many links: home page, checkout page, view cart page, contact us page. So it is the part of the same website. So for that, inside href you will give the name of the file that you want to open. For example, when we will click home here, given it is in the output right here. If I click home, it will open index.html. If I click about, it will open about us.html, and so on. Okay, so this is connecting different pages of the same website. And then it is very important to know about the directory structure, because you will be basically uploading files from your own system. So you should understand that this DVD, its parent is this movies, and its grandparent is this one. This is the hierarchy. Then these are the grandchildren, like cinema and DVD are grandchildren of this example arts. Okay, this music is the child of example art, because it is coming after that in that hierarchy. This image is also the child, movies also the child. Cinema and DVD are grandchildren. In the same way, this is parent as well as grandparent, but two different directories. So you should keep in mind the hierarchy. Why? Because if your HTML file is in the same folder as the file you are giving in href, you will have no problem. But if you want your files are in different folders, then you have to give /images/ the name of the file, and so on. Then we have mail to. Another thing we can use is that usually when you click the contact us button, you click the email address of a person, and Outlook opens and the email address is already present there. So you do it like this: href is equal to mail to John is example.org. Sorry, this is the email address of the person you want to send email John. So when I click this email John, what will open? This Outlook page will open, and in two it will be written john@example.org, the one I gave here. We can even open a link, a particular link in a new window. So this is, you see, the a tag, target is equal to blank. Right here, target is equal to blank. So if you give this one, Internet Movie Database, when you click this, imdb.com will open, but in a new window, because we have given the new target. Now next, the last type of link, it is very interesting, and usually it is used, for example, there are some, for example, wikipedia.com. It has a lot of text, and when you click a particular hyperlink, it takes you to the same, any part of the same web page. And if you go to the bottom, it gives you a hyperlink of top. You can go to the top. In top, you have the hyperlink to go to the bottom of the page, and so on. For that, we are going to be using this. Inside the h1 tag, we will give the ID of each part of the page. Like by giving ID, you are dividing your page into multiple parts. So one part is, the name of one part is ID is equal to top, which will have this area. Then we have another ID is equal to interlude, which have this area. Then we have ID is equal to prologue, third part. So basically we have divided our page into 3 parts. Now what we are going to do, A space href, this one. Now you can notice here, inside href, we haven't given the name of a website, we haven't given the name of a web page, we have simply given the name of the ID that we have made. arc_short, you can see this is arc_short. This is the part that is going to be accessed when you click this hyperlink arc_short. If you click this interlude, where it would go? Interlude, ID is equal to interlude, it will go to this part of your web page. If you click prologue, it will take you to the prologue part, where it is here. Now here, if you click hr is equal to top, it will take you to the top. So where is top? Right here, right there, ID is equal to top. So there are 2 things that you have to do. You have to divide your pages into multiple parts by giving ID inside the h1 tag. And when you want to move to a particular page, you would have to give a part of the page, you would have to give this a tag. And inside a tag, inside href, the name of the portion that you have made, for example, the ID is equal to top, but you have to put a hash before that. So this will take you to the multiple parts of the web page. For example, if I click arc_short here, it will go highlight this area of the page. If you go to click interlude, it will come here and show you the interlude. If you click prologue, it will show you prologue. Then if you click this top hyperlink, it will take you right here to the beginning of your